Hello guys, I'm here with one of the most beautiful candidates of this year's Binibining Angono. I'm here with Kianti. Kianti, how are you?
Hi, thank you so much for having me as your interviewer. I feel very fine right now, but I'm very nervous earlier.
It's okay. You did a great job and I love your performance, dear.
Thank you.
And congratulations for winning one of the special awards or let us say sponsor awards.
Yes.
Yun. Now, Kianti, I'm just curious about how did you prepare for this pre-pageant?
Actually, I've been very busy this past few weeks, and I only had a little time to prepare for this pre-pageant. And talagang sinulit ko yung 4 days preparation for my pasarela. And actually, I'm not yet that satisfied. So I'll make sure that nasa coronation, I'll bounce back stronger than ever.
What was running on your mind during the swimsuit competition, dear?
Actually, ang nasa isip ko lang po nun is how I will execute all of my poses and my routine that time. But as the music flows into my ears, parang I think I'll just enjoy this na lang. So, ayun, medyo na-build ulit yung confidence ko. Kasi diba, muntik na po matapilo kanina. So, ayun, naging okay rin naman po siya. Thank God.
So, did you feel pressure ba?
Actually, at first, I feel pressured. Kasi talagang ang bilis ng pacing, like sobrang bilis ng pacing and hindi na ako nagkaroon ng time to prepare pa yung pasarela ko. And syempre ang daming nanonood, it's a big impact on me, but I'm very thankful kasi may supporters ako na talagang pinapaboost yung confidence ko no matter what.
Ayan, ano sa tingin mong natutunan mo dito sa pageant na to?
Actually, this is not my first time joining Ginoo and Binibining Angono charities. And what Gaba taught me is to be resilient and to look for a wider picture, for a broader picture. Kasi dati talagang parang ang perspective ko sa ibang bagay is ganito lang. Parang small lang yung range niya. Pero as the time passes by, marami akong nakilala. Yung mga organizers, they are very, parang sobrang galing talaga nila mag-handle. Sobrang prepared sila. So, na-appreciate ko yun and mas lalong dumagdag. Parang mas lalong dumagdag sa perspective ko na ay, iba pala pag-pageant. Akala ko ganda lang, gano'n.
Alright. If there is an opportunity na dumating sa'yo, like may mag-offer sa'yo to join sa national pageant, will you accept this or not?
Siguro for now, hindi po muna. Kasi personally, hindi pa ako ganun kumbaga kahinog. Hindi pa ako ganun kasanay sa ganito since it's just my 3rd pageant po ngayon. And gusto ko pag sumalang ako sa national pageant, hindi ko mapapahiya yung municipality which is yung Angono, Rizal.
Ayun. And one last question. How will you describe your journey here at Ginoo at Binibining Angono so far?
I'll describe it as a simple word, fun. Sobrang fun. Kahit nakakapagod, you can still feel na you are fulfilled kahit anong gawin mo, kahit late ka umuwi. And actually, malaking impact din sa akin yung mga friends na na-form ko dito sa Ginoo and Binibining Angono charities, lalo din sa mga handler ko, yung connections, yung relationships na nagkaroon kami. Sobrang naging masaya ako. Kasi parang last year, hindi ko siya masyadong na-feel kasi hindi ako close sa kanila. Pero ngayon, sobrang na-feel ko talaga yung presence and support nila.
Alright. Pinakamahirap na naranasan mo sa pag-join ng pageant?
Pinakamahirap na naranasan ko is when you are not prepared talaga. When you are not prepared, ayun talaga yung kalaban mo and actually yung kaba din. Ayun din yung reason kung bakit na out of balance ako kanina multiple times. But I think I can handle it much better na sa coronation. So please watch our coronation sa December 6 at Angono Gymnasium Plaza.
And also you can promote your social media platforms.
Yan, my Facebook is Kianti Nicole and my Instagram is k.kianti. Ayun lang po. And sa TikTok naman, I am not very active sa TikTok but I'll try to post more. So, ang username ko doon is Dochi.
Yeah, one last na lang, your message to your fans and supporters and as well as your family.
Ayan. So all my supporters, kahit hindi po kayo nakanood dito or nakanood man kayo, I am very thankful and sobrang nafe-feel ko po yung presence and support niyo all throughout. Lalo na sa mom ko and sa dad ko na wala man ngayon here personally but alam ko sinusuportahan ako. Thank you so much and I love you all po.
Ayun. Thank you so much, dear, and best of luck.
Thank you.